Hello guys, this is Gosfawa Ogiagbe. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money from your smartphone by just doing a very simple task. So if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you will learn a step-by-step guide how you can make money by just doing a very simple task, and you are going to be getting paid in return. So if you want to learn this, just keep on watching this video. Let me take you to my smartphone right now. So this is available on your smartphone. So this method is available on your smartphone. And yeah, so just keep on watching, and all I want you to do for me is to hit that like button, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us head over to my smartphone right now. So guys, what you have to do, go to Google Play Store, or you can click the first link in the description. Either you click on the first link in the description, or you just click on the Google Play Store app and open it. You search for Paidviewpoint. Once you search for Paidviewpoint, install it if you have not. Once you have installed it, this is how it will look on your smartphone. So this is the application which is called Paidviewpoint. I will click on it. So once you click on it here, you click on register. You enter your email, your password, and you re-enter your password, and you enter referral code. You have to enter my referral code that will pop up right now. Use this my referral code that will pop up as the person that refer you. You will see my code to pop up right now. Accept the terms and condition, and you click on next. So once you click on next, they will ask for how you can receive your money, and you enter that, and that is how you will do it, and your account will be created. You'll be sent an email. You click on that Gmail so that you can verify your own account. So once you have verified your own account, then you have to go back and log into your own account. So once you come back here, what you have to do is to click on login. So once you click on login, you enter your email and password and click on log me in. So as you can see, I have just logged into my own account, and if I scroll down here, you will see that currently right now I have $17 on my account currently. So how I made this money is just every single day I will come to this application which is called Paidviewpoint. And once I come to Paidviewpoint, and they will give me survey to do. And usually they used to send a high paid survey which is up to $1 survey on your Gmail. So you need to keep an eye on your Gmail account that you use to register on Paidviewpoint, because they will be sending you surveys on that your email. So what you do on this application, how you make money with it, is you will start taking surveys and just answering very simple questions about a particular product, give your honest review, and at the end of the day, once you complete the survey, there is no right or wrong answer when you are using Paidviewpoint. That is what I like. There is no wrong and right answer on Paidviewpoint. That is one thing I like about Paidviewpoint. It's very, very different from other survey sites. So that is what I like it. And all you just need to do, take the surveys, complete it, and you will get something like this. You will receive, every time you complete a survey, this is kind of a notification you will receive on your Paidviewpoint account. So that is it. And how you can receive your money is on PayPal. So if you want to cash out your money, all you just need to do, enter your PayPal account, which is your payment method, and you transfer the money into your PayPal account. So the next thing we are going to do now, I'm going to show you proof. So what I'm going to do now is to cash out this $17 on my Paidviewpoint account. What I need to do is to click on this dollar icon, and here now you can see it say that I have the minimum amount to cash out. It say in order to cash out your you must verify your PayPal account. So what I need to do, I will click on this section where I say PayPal verification. I will click on that. So once I click on that, it's taking me here so that I'm going to verify my PayPal account now. So I've entered my email here. I will click on next. So it's asking for my password. I will enter my password. So I've entered my password. I will click on login. As you can see, say connect your PayPal account to Paidviewpoint. I will click on agree to the terms and condition. So I will click on agree. It's connecting me now. So as you can see, say successful. You have connected your PayPal account to your Paidviewpoint account. So what I need to do now, I will click on this section where it say cash out now. As you can see, it say your PayPal account, your PayPal is verified. So money color, and yeah, that is my PayPal account. And I will click on cash out. So as you can see, say congratulations, allow up to $72 2 hours for the fund to arrive in your paper account. In the meantime, be super grateful if you share a review about PV, which is Paidviewpoint survey policy. That information they said here. I will click on go back to dashboard, and voila. So you can see that I just cash out $17.22 into my paper account with proof. So in 72 hours, which is 3 days, I will receive that money. So I will click. You can see that I have a survey now. Currently now they just give me a survey to complete. So all I just need to do is to take this survey so that you will see what I'm talking about. I will click on take survey. You can see one survey is waiting. I will click on this. So all I just need to do now is to complete this survey that you can see here. I will click on survey. I'll click on next. I'll click here, yes. So they are asking me a question. Just give honest opinion about this question that you are answering, and that is it. So what you need to do, give your honest opinion about the survey that they are giving you. And one thing I like about this application, there is no right or wrong answer. So you need to make sure, read what they are asking you and give your honest opinion. What do you think that is right? Carefully, and you will see that you will get the money at the end of taking the survey. So you can see, you say you accumulate earning on Paidviewpoint was $0.03, which is 3 cents I just made by just taking just this 10 seconds survey. So you can see how it works. It's very, very simple. So that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you are enjoying it, all I just want you to do for me right now is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you are going to start using this application to start making money online. And there's a video that will pop up right now that you can go and watch and learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing, or you can just leave me a comment in the comment section below if you have anything in mind. And I will say thank you very much. Don't forget to use my referral code that will pop up on this Paidviewpoint app. I will see you on my next video.